The 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues the brand's long tradition of redefining what a luxury midsize sedan should be, offering a balance of elegance, cutting-edge technology, comfort, and performance. As one of the most important nameplates in the Mercedes lineup, the E-Class has consistently set benchmarks for refinement and innovation, and the latest iteration takes this legacy to a new level. With a redesigned exterior, enhanced cabin features, and a host of advanced technologies, the 2026 model firmly positions itself as a forward-looking luxury sedan that remains deeply rooted in the heritage of Mercedes craftsmanship. From the outside, the 2026 E-Class showcases a modern yet timeless design that blends sleek aerodynamics with understated luxury. The front fascia is highlighted by a bold grille flanked by slimmer, more aggressive LED headlights that give the sedan a commanding presence on the road. Subtle character lines flow gracefully along the sides, enhancing the sense of motion even at a standstill. At the rear, the taillights adopt a sharper, more contemporary look, while chrome accents and flush-fitting elements add to the premium feel. Overall, the design achieves a refined balance between sportiness and sophistication, appealing to both traditional luxury buyers and younger customers seeking modernity. Inside, the cabin of the 2026 Mercedes E-Class is a showcase of luxury and digital innovation. High-quality materials such as leather, wood, and metal trims are complemented by advanced technology that integrates seamlessly into the driving experience. The interior is dominated by Mercedes' next-generation MBUX system, featuring expansive OLED displays that stretch across the dashboard to create a futuristic cockpit feel. These screens are highly customizable and provide intuitive access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle functions. Augmented reality navigation, advanced voice commands, and over-the-air updates ensure that the technology inside the E-Class is always up to date and effortless to use. Ambient lighting, with dozens of customizable colors and animations, adds a personal touch to the environment, while premium audio systems elevate the listening experience for passengers. Comfort has always been a central pillar of the E-Class, and the 2026 model continues to excel in this area. The seats are designed with ergonomic precision, offering heating, cooling, and massaging functions to make even the longest journeys comfortable. Rear passengers benefit from ample legroom and advanced climate control, while optional executive seating packages add even more luxury touches. Noise insulation has been further improved, ensuring a quiet and serene cabin environment that isolates occupants from road and wind noise. The result is a refined sanctuary on wheels, ideal for both everyday commuting and long-distance travel. In terms of performance, the 2026 E-Class offers a range of powertrain options, including efficient 4- and 6-cylinder engines, electrified mild hybrid systems, and plug-in hybrid variants for those seeking an eco-friendly alternative without compromising on luxury or performance. The engines are paired with smooth shifting automatic transmissions and advanced all-wheel drive systems to deliver confident handling in all conditions. The suspension has been engineered to provide a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness, with adaptive damping technology that can adjust in real time to road surfaces and driving styles. For enthusiasts, AMG-tuned versions of the E-Class deliver even greater performance with sharper handling and more powerful engines, catering to those who want a sportier edge to their luxury sedan. Safety and driver assistance technologies are another highlight of the 2026 E-Class. Mercedes continues to lead in this area with advanced features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and semi-autonomous driving capabilities. These systems work together to reduce driver fatigue and increase overall safety, bringing the E-Class closer to fully autonomous driving while still maintaining driver engagement. Overall, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class successfully blends tradition with innovation, offering a luxury sedan that is elegant, comfortable, technologically advanced, and versatile. It caters to a wide spectrum of buyers, from those who value timeless refinement to those who seek the latest in digital and electrified technologies. By pushing boundaries while staying true to its heritage, the new E-Class ensures its place as a leader in the midsize luxury segment and reaffirms Mercedes' reputation for excellence in design, performance, and innovation.